నార్త్ అని అనుకుంటారు కానీ సౌత్లో ఎప్పుడో అందరికీ బాగా పరిచయం అయిన వ్యక్తి అనమాట. అండ్
there are so many scenes in the film where it will almost feel like, oh my god, what a psycho this man is. Smoke being this close to my face, blown on my face.
did you miss any characters or roles from a prominent films?
There was a Salman Khan film Antim. There was a Salman Khan film Kisi Ka Bhai Kisi Ki Jaan. In Telugu, unfortunately, I can't take names, but what I can say is that none of them were hits, so I am happy. Some directors even told me very brutally honest to my face that you're not pretty enough.
హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు. నేను మీ యాంకర్ శరత్. May 22 థియేటర్స్లోకి రాబోతున్న ఫిలిం అగ్లీ స్టోరీ. అండ్ ఈ సినిమాకి సంబంధించి డైరెక్టర్ స్వరూప్ గారు అండ్ అంతేకాకుండా మన అవికా గోర్, మన వెరీ ఓన్, అంటే ఆవిడ యాక్చువల్లీ నార్త్ అని అనుకుంటారు కానీ సౌత్లో ఎప్పుడో అందరికీ బాగా పరిచయం అయిన వ్యక్తి అనమాట. అండ్ హాయ్ అండి, వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు. సో ఇది చాలామంది పెళ్ళైన హస్బెండ్స్ రిలేట్ చేసుకుంటారని అనిపిస్తుందా?
పెళ్ళైన హస్బెండ్స్ అలా రిలేట్ చేసుకోవాలని ఇది చేశాను అనమాట. యాక్చువల్గా
మీకు మ్యారేజ్ అయింది?
మ్యారేజ్.
దీంట్లో ఏమన్నా మీ షేడ్స్ ఏమన్నా
షేడ్స్ అంటే
ఇంక్లూడ్ చేశారా?
అంటే డార్క్ షేడ్స్ లోపల ఉంటాయి కదా, అవి బయటికి రాశాను అనమాట. అంటే అది నేను యాక్చువల్గా బయటికి చూపించను. డార్క్ షేడ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి లోపల ఉంటాయి, వాటిని పేపర్ మీద రాశాను అంతే.
I think it's very important for director especially to be very honest with what can be the worst thing that can go in somebody's head, right? Because as a director, it is not about always portraying your hero as the correct one. And especially for this film, this story, it is supposed to be ugly. It is supposed to be making you like uncomfortable. So I think he was very honest about when he said that everybody has a darker side. Everybody has something that is
evil side.
Yeah, and not. It's obviously not right to get that evil side out, and that is exactly what the story is about. And we want to show that Karthik, the character, Nandu's character, is so like obsessed and so negative, and it should make people uncomfortable. That was the intention, and I think he has done a very good job by showing it honestly. There are no layers, there is no curtain, there no hiding, nothing. He's been very direct about it. Like there are so many scenes in the film where it will almost feel like, oh my god, what a psycho this man is. And I was watching this film recently with my in-laws and my husband and everyone, and I could see them laugh. Like, what is this mad man? Like, why is he doing that? Like, that kind of a laugh, which is not pleasant. And that was such an important thing as a reaction from audience, right? At the end of the day, this is exactly what he wants. So with the story and with the confidence that he has, it really requires guts for a first time filmmaker. And he's done a good job.
Why you got discomfort while shooting for this film? I think in the morning even you mentioned, right?
Because there are some
because
scenes,
of Nandu or because of character?
Not till Nandu is such a good guy, very sweet fellow. No, not him. It was basically the character, the way she goes through things. There is a sequence about the smoke being this close to my face, blown on my face. As a person, obviously I haven't experienced anything like this, and I hope I do not, because I pray that for everyone around. But it's an unfortunate truth for somebody somewhere, which is a real life situation for someone. That made me feel uncomfortable. That feeling of knowing that this is real, this is a reality check that I am getting, that I am a part of a society where this can be a normal thing for somebody, which is so wrong. That was the feeling that made me uncomfortable. And of course, as an actor, there are some things that you're supposed to do. Like, for example, this poster, right? Which girl will feel comfortable doing this? It's an uncomfortable spot to be in, but this is the story. This is what we want to show to people. So I did my job as an actor, but somewhere down the line, as a woman, I felt like the story was important to be said, because it's not just a story about suffering. What happens after the suffering? What happens because of the suffering? What Nandu's character does, and what happens with him? That is the story.
And like you have done Balika Vadu, I think 2008, right?
Yeah.
So almost 18 years.
Yeah.
So I think whenever child artists are, character artists or child artists, they do na. So the impact of that role will be long or more
Mhm.
So even people will see you now.
Yeah,
Even
yeah.
they remember Balika
I
Vadu
love
or
it.
something, right?
Yeah.
So do you want to come out from that
No.
image, or whenever you try,
Never.
like, I have to prove another
No,
angle?
no,
or,
no, no. I think I'm not just comfortable with Anandi, I'm proud of Anandi.
Hmm.
Also, because of that one character that I did, I have reached many houses, not just in India, but 28 countries in the world.
Hmm.
Which actor gets that? And how can I want to be away from that? Like, why will I want to be away from that? Also, that one character changed my life. I had so many opportunities after that.
Hmm.
I come from a very humble background.
Hmm.
I come from a family who lived in a one-room kitchen in Mumbai.
Hmm.
I was a junior artist in a film called Bhootnath, Amitabh Bachchan's film. There is a lot about my life that a lot of people do not know,
No.
but that one character changed everything. And now it is such a proud feeling to look back. And even now, when
Hmm.
somebody meets me and they talk about Chinari Peli Kutru, they come and pull my cheeks.
Hmm.
It feels like I'm their own family member. They have, like
Connection.
almost, yeah, the connection is so rare. Tell me another show that has that one character that has pulled off so many years, like 18 years after
18
we are
years.
talking about it, right?
Hmm.
This is an achievement for me. So I will never want to get rid of it. And I think because of that, I get roles like this,
Hmm.
where I can show my acting potential, where I can connect with the audience, where the story revolves around a girl who breaks through from something,
Hmm.
who inspires somebody somewhere down the line. Like I said, somebody is going through something like this in real. Imagine a person like that watches this film and takes a step back and says, no, I want to step out of a relationship. Imagine that success.
No, I think
Of
in
course.
Bollywood, I think you have done serials, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Serials
yeah.
and shows you are doing, right? Whenever you come, I mean, how can you say your career in
Yeah.
Bollywood or Tollywood? How you felt like I have done more I have achieved more in Bollywood or Tollywood?
I think in
Here you have.
Hindi, yeah. Of course, the number of films that I have done is way more here in Telugu.
Hmm.
And the number of serials that I have done, which are serials. What I mean by serials is like number of episodes,
Hmm.
like 2 years, 5 years.
5 years, long years.
It's a
yes, yes.
long commitment. So as an actor, it's a very proud feeling to be a part of something which has been number one for 5 years. It's not a joke.
Hmm.
And a big success again, right? So it will be very difficult for me to compare both, because both have given me something that has helped me become this human. At the end of the day, I treat this as my job. This is not my life. This is a part of my career, part of my job. I have my life which is back home.
Hmm.
Everybody goes to office, I go to shoot.
Shoot.
It's
yes.
as simple as that.
So because of these multiple things, did you miss any characters or roles from a prominent films in Telugu or Bollywood?
I did miss out on some.
In Telugu, right?
In Telugu also, and in Hindi also. And Hindi, I think I can mention because I've mentioned it earlier.
Hmm.
There was a Salman Khan film, Antim.
Hmm.
There was the Salman Khan film, Kisi Ka Bhai Kisi Ki Jaan. These were both the films that I could not be a part of.
Hmm.
And I was almost doing the films, and then I got to know somebody else replaced me.
Replaced.
So it was not in my control. I was in it, I was preparing for it, and it was a very last minute
Telugu?
thing. In Telugu, unfortunately, I can't take names, but what I can say is that none of them were hits. So I'm happy.
Very
So I did not
This
miss
is
out.
very personal, sadistic behavior. I think.
Yeah. See, I'm human at
You
the
can
end of
name.
the day.
I think you can't name. Reveal the names of the. I think movie names, but you can mention the heroes, right? With whom you got an opportunity to work here. Because your first film has
Not big heroes.
much impact here.
Not
right?
big heroes,
Not big
honestly.
heroes.
No. I don't think people who are directing big heroes want me there or feel comfortable with the idea of another hero taking away the credit.
Okay.
So I think I have been very aware of this. I mean, a lot of people feel that if we are getting Avika to a project, what value can we give her, right? That is also a responsibility. Like I did Thank You, for example, Naga Chaitanya's film. My character was important, and it was a very small character. It was almost like a cameo, right? I feel very proud that I did thank you with, you know, Vikram Kumar and like such a big
project
setup. But at the end of the day, the film didn't work. As in
It won't
success,
get-
yeah, it did not do enough business. But people know that Avika was there. The character was good.
Was good, yes.
So I think I have that
that
reputation.
recognition will be
Yeah, so that reputation I have, that I'm selecting projects and being careful about what I do. And when it comes to big heroes, yeah, in the beginning I did receive some projects, like I think around Cinema Chupista Mama, around Ikkadki Potao Chinnawada. That was the time when I did get a lot of projects. And then I was finalized for some, and then some directors even told me very brutally honest to my face that you're not pretty enough.
Okay.
So there have been, like, I've also
they
had...
said directly on your face.
Yeah. And very, like, I was shocked because I was, 16, 17 years old, and to hear something like that is not easy.
Okay.
You know, obviously, I mean, as an actor, it's not just acting that you focus on the way you look and everything. And imagine a big director telling you this on your face that you're not pretty enough, we can't cast you. And after 3 meetings...
What kind of pretty they mentioned?
I have no idea. And again, that movie was not a hit, so I'm happy.
I think
So, yeah.
I think one of the show that you went got banned, and again it's gonna restart, right, in Hindi.
Which one?
That you went as a guest, I think, for the some show in Bollywood.
Fear Factor.
Maybe one of the show. I think it got banned and again restarted recently. I think so. Restarted or going to restart? I heard something.
No, not banned or anything. It was going on.
Okay.
And it's a reality show called Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi.
Okay.
And
you're going for that show again?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that I went for it in season 9, which was in 2018 or something. And I'm going again in season 15. And it's a stunt-based reality show where we perform stunts, and you know, it's a different experience completely. I don't know why I'm doing it again, because first time was also like very scary. This time is also going to be very scary. I don't know why I say yes to such things, but here I am, I'm doing it.
So you have seen completely Bollywood from 18 years, right?
Yeah.
Few people will complain. I think whenever they work in Bollywood, they complain about Tollywood, or else
Why?
because of their works, or because of they didn't get works, or sometimes they'll complain, or sometimes they'll say rumors or something, right? You have seen Bollywood and Tollywood both. You have seen from years, right?
Yeah.
What kind of working experience that you have in Bollywood and Tollywood?
I think in Hindi, I wouldn't call it Bollywood because I have not done very few films.
Few films.
I've done TV, reality, and all of that.
Few people say like they have more of managers, more of works. We won't get works. Those kind of things that we heard from Hindi.
See,
And
I
here-
tried having a manager. I tried having multiple agencies to manage me and all of
They're
that.
finding a character is very hard. I think they are saying like few people finding a character or a movie role.
I don't know. Like with me, it was very difficult for me to explain my manager what I wanted. So I was like, I rather explain directly.
Directly. Yes.
So I think I'm somebody who would, you know, like with him also, I am the one who's asking what time should I come.
Yeah.
I think I'm
You are
very
ready
hands-on.
to.
And I don't mind doing it because my background is TV. And from TV, I think my learning has been very simple, that having the entourage doesn't really like help in something. Like right now, for example, the first thing before the interview, I told my makeup and hair guy was like, please leave tomorrow, come on time.
Oh, super.
Because I don't need it like, you know, that way. So I realized that, and that comes with experience.
Yes, definitely.
I was not like this from day one. Day one, I thought, no, I should have like a manager. Obviously, because that is what you see around. But my learning has been very clear that in Hindi, if things are supposed to reach you, good projects, they come to you automatically. I was sitting one day randomly and a Vikram Bhatt called me, right? Out of nowhere.
Yes.
So it has.
So it will come.
And he does not have my number. I don't know he's making a film. In my wildest thoughts, I never thought that I will get launched in Hindi because I was comfortable doing Telugu. It is not a part of the plan. I think what is written will happen.
Definitely
And
comes
if it
to
has to happen, and see, I'm not a product of nepotism. I'm not a product of
recommendations or something.
So I do not know what movies, who is making what. I don't know. Even here, I might say that, you know, I'm very fond of Nag sir and all, but I wouldn't keep asking him what's going on. Can I be a part of your film? That
you won't
is
ask anything, Nag sir, or you won't text or keep.
I might say that to Nikhil, that why are we not doing a film together? Because
after
he's a friend.
yeah.
Yeah, and people loved Ikkadki Potao Chinnavada.
yes, very.
So I
good
think our director also, V.I. Anand, I keep telling him also that three of us should plan something together.
Yes,
So
definitely.
see, that is a different rapport that I'm comfortable doing. But in Hindi, I don't have that friendships, or I don't.
Rappos, yes.
Yeah, so I don't do that. So I would not ever know what film is being made there. So I will always be clueless there. But when it comes here, it's a little different. But at the end of the day, my comfort here is a little more. I'll tell you why. Because I have found really good filmmakers. And one of the reasons is because most of them have been first timers. Virenchi, Ravi Nandyal, he passed away, but him, so many of them first timers,
filmmakers,
and
yes.
yeah, and even heroes, right? Raj Tarun was a first timer.
You mentioned yesterday, I think, about Raj Tarun, some song status, right?
Yeah,
In Instagram, yes.
yeah. So I have worked with so many new people where they are also starting off and have that fire
Fire
in
in
them,
there, yes.
which makes it very easy for me to be like, he'll do it. Like, this film is not easy. This film is very difficult for a first timer. But just because I saw his clarity, not just with the script, but what
Subject,
he
yes.
wants, it made my job easy, right?
Yes.
So I am open to trusting. So I will trust. Even if it's a new filmmaker, I don't mind.
Yeah.
So I think I'm in that phase of my career where I'm not saying yes to everything, and I'm happy about it. I'm not pushing myself to say yes to every project because I'm in the survival mode. Thankfully, God has given me enough till
Enough
now
opportunities, yes.
to say no, to be okay saying no. And there have been projects where I feel like I wish I was a part of. Like, for example, I've because of Nikhil, I've known Chandu. So the film that he did with Sai Pallavi and Naga Chaitanya, if I'm not wrong,
Tandel.
I love the script, and when I watched it, I
If you-
wanted to tell him that, please, I want to work with you, but I did not, because like, I don't know him that well, so I will always have those barriers. But that is such, life is such. So yeah.
And very happy to interact with you. And August,
Thank you.
22nd na డెఫినెట్లీ అవికో గారు ఎలా అయితే ఎంత కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా చెప్పారో అండ్ డైరెక్టర్ ఎంత అయితే సబ్జెక్ట్ మీద
Yes.
కాన్ఫిడెంట్ ఉందో సినిమా కూడా అంతే కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా ఆడుతారని నాకు కూడా నమ్మకం ఇస్తుంది అనమాట. దిస్ ఈస్ శరత్ సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రమ్ తెలుగు.